Om Mitraya Namaha.
Pranamasana or the prayer pose. Standing in an upright position on your yoga mat and placing your feet close to each other. Take a deep breath and notice your chest expand. Relax your shoulders. While inhaling, take a deep breath. Raise your arms from the side, and as you exhale, your palms together in front of your chest in a namaste. This is the prayer position. Benefits of Pranamasana: relaxes the nervous system and helps in maintaining body balance. It also helps relieve stress and anxiety.
Om Ravaye Namaha.
Hasta Uttanasana or the raised arm pose. Join your palms together and take a deep breath. Lift your arms up while slightly bending backwards and push your pelvis forward a little. Stretch back and lengthen the spine. Keep the biceps close to your ears while simultaneously stretching the whole body from the heels. Benefits of Hasta Uttanasana: stretches and tones the abdominal muscles. Beneficial for people suffering from asthma, lower back pain, and fatigue. It also aids digestion.
Om Suryaya Namaha.
Hasta Padasana or the standing forward bend pose. Exhale and bend forward to touch your toes with your fingers. You can bend your knees initially if necessary. Do not bend your spine and keep your neck and shoulders relaxed. Try to touch the floor with your fingers, pressing into your heels softly. Inhale while coming back up. Benefits of Hastapadasana: stretches the hamstrings and opens up the legs. Helps in curing insomnia, osteoporosis, headache, anxiety, and stress.
Om Banave Namaha.
Ashwashanchalanasana or the lunge pose. After coming back from Hastapadasana, bend your knees slightly and rest your palms on the floor in line with your feet. Inhale, bring your right knee towards the right side of your chest while stretching the left leg backwards. Balance your body and raise your head facing forward. Benefits of Ashwashanchalanasana: strengthens the spine and increases the lung capacity, relieves indigestion and constipation.
Om Khagaya Namaha.
Chaturanga Dandasana or the plank pose. From the Ashwashanchalanasana, inhale and bring your right leg back next to the left leg. Keep your hands under your shoulders, keeping your body parallel to the ground. Your entire body should be in one straight line. Breathe and balance. Benefits of Chaturanga Dandasana: keeps the mind calm while stretching the arms, chest, shoulder, and the spine. This pose also improves posture.
Om Pushne Namaha.
Ashtanga Namaskar or the eight limbed pose, also known as salutations using 8 points or parts. To perform this pose, exhale and bring your knees down to the floor, rest your chin on the floor, and raise your hips slightly from the ground. Both your hands, knees, chin, and chest should touch the floor, while your posterior should be suspended in the air. Breathe and hold the position for as long as comfortable. Benefits of Ashtanga Namaskar: increases flexibility and stretches the back and the spine, strengthens the muscles and relieves stress.
Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha.
Bhujangasana or the cobra pose. Gently slide forward and rest your legs and abdomen flat on the ground. Place your palms close to your chest, and while inhaling, apply pressure on the hand and slowly rise the upper body. your pelvic region touching the ground. Keep your shoulders away from your ears, feet tucked in and looking forward. Your head and torso should resemble a cobra with a raised hood. Benefits of Bhujangasana: stretches the shoulders, back, chest, and spine, improves flexibility and mood.
ॐ मरीचये नमः
Adho Mukha Svanasana or the downward facing dog. Lie down, releasing your chest from the Bhujangasana, your back facing the ceiling. Exhale and lift your hips gently to form an inverted V. Straighten your elbows and knees while trying to keep your heels on the ground. With every exhale and inhale, go deeper into the stretch. Look towards your navel. Benefit of Adho Mukha Svanasana: calms the nerves and increases blood circulation, relieves stress and strengthens the arms and legs. In women, this yogasana relieves symptoms of menopause.
ॐ आदित्याय नमः
Ashwasanchalanasana or the high lunge pose. Coming back from Adho Mukha, bring your right foot forward, keep your left leg stretched behind, placing your feet on the mat, and now look forward. Gently push the hips towards the floor to deepen the stretch. Get a better stretch this time since you have performed this step before. Benefits: strengthens the spine and increases the lung capacity, release indigestion and constipation.
ॐ सवित्रे नमः
Hastapadasana, the standing forward bend. Inhale and bring your left foot forward next to your right foot. Bend your torso while keeping the position of your hands intact. Slowly exhale and touch the ground with your fingers. Benefits of Hastapadasana: stretches the hamstrings and opens up the legs. It helps in curing insomnia, osteoporosis, headache, anxiety, and stress.
ॐ अर्घाय नमः
Hasta Uttanasana or the raised arms pose. Inhale while lifting your upper body. Join the palms, raise your hands upward, bend backwards and stretch your spine. Benefits: stretches and tones the abdominal muscles, beneficial for people suffering from asthma, lower back pain, and fatigue. It also aids digestion.
ॐ भास्कराय नमः
Pranamasana or the prayer pose. Coming back to where we had started, notice that we had made a circle of these 12 poses. As mentioned in the first step, exhale, stand straight, relaxing your body, lower the arms in front of your chest in a namaste.